Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel, and today's topic of the class is types of errors. Students, you might have observed that when you run a program, sometimes you don't get the result at all and sometimes you don't get the desired result, and that happens due to the presence of errors in our program. So we have categorized these types of errors in three types. So first one is syntax error, syntactical error, or you can say this is another name of syntax error, or compile time error. And second one is logical error, and the third is runtime error. So today we will discuss all these three errors one by one. So let's start with the syntactical or syntax error. So first we will see the syntax error. Syntax error occurs when we don't follow the rules or grammar of the programming language. See, every language has its own syntax, own grammar. For example, English language. So English language has its own syntax, has its own grammar, like where to put the punctuation mark, how to write the sentence, then how to use the uppercase or lowercase, right? So there are some rules which we follow in English. The same way in programming language also we need to follow some rules, like where to put the semicolon, where to declare the variables, where and which braces we have to use. So when we do such mistakes like grammatical mistakes, then syntax error occurs. So there can be many reasons for that. I have mentioned few reasons. Let's discuss one by one. So first one is undefined variables. When you do not declare the variable, when you do not define the variable, then the syntax error occurs. Second is missing semicolon. If you forget to put the semicolon after the end of statement, then also it can show the syntax error. Improper use of braces or parentheses. Next is multiple declaration of one variable. If you have declared one variable many times in a program, then it will show the syntax error. If you forget to import a package, then also it shows the syntax error, right? So when you compile the program with such mistakes, it will not show you result. It will show you the list of errors, and once we remove all those errors, then only we can see the output. So this was about the syntax error or syntactical error, right? Now the next is logical error. Logical error occurs when there is error in the planning of program's logic. So we have done mistakes in logic of the program. So when you run the program, computer will show you the result, because computer will show you the result as per the given instruction, right? So in case of logical error, your program will be compiled successfully, will be executed successfully. ठीक है, compile भी successfully होगा, run भी, but you will not get the desired result. Why you have not got the desired result? Because you have done some mistakes in logic of the program, and computer will understand whatever you have written in that, right? So there is no error will be displayed, but no desired result will be obtained. Now there are some examples of logical error. So first one is average of three numbers. Suppose instead of a plus b plus c, how to find out the average? Sum of three number divided by the number, right? But instead of this, you have written a plus b plus c slash 3.0. So very common mistake it is, most of the students do it. So instead of this, the correct one, suppose we have written this. So computer will calculate as per this equation, and we will get the wrong result, right? Or use of slash forward slash instead of modulus operator. This is also logical mistake. And the third one is, if we have given the wrong message in print, then the wrong message will be displayed. Fine. So in case of logical error, when you run the program will be compiled and executed successfully, but we will not get the desired result. So if we summarize the syntax error and logical error, so there are two main differences. What are these two main differences? Syntax error and logical error. Main differences is syntax error. First is unable to give the output. It will not display you output at all, okay? But logical error does not give you desired result or desired output, does not give you डिजायर्ड आउटपुट, राइट। उसमें आउटपुट ही नहीं आएगा और इसमें डिजायर्ड नहीं आएगा, जो हमें चाहिए था वो नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। सेकेंड वन इज सिंटैक्स एरर अकर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक, और यू कैन से ग्रामेटिकल एरर, और लॉजिकल एरर बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉजिक ऑफ द और सम मिस्टेक इन द लॉजिक, यू कैन से ड्यू टू mistake in program's logic, occurs due to mistake in program logic. So these are the two main difference. ये grammatical error से आता है और ये due to mistake in program logic, right? So I hope you have understood. So now we will see third one, that is runtime error. And these error occurs during execution because of some unforeseen situation are known as runtime error. What does it mean, unforeseen? See, you have written a program, you have removed all syntax error. When you compile, no syntax error is coming, there is no logical error. You might have checked 3-4 cases and you might have checked the program is running properly, but there can be some unforeseen conditions, unforeseen situation जो आपके दिमाग में नहीं आई, कुछ ऐसे पर्टिकुलर केस कि जिसको सपोज यू हैव गिवन एनी कैलकुलेशन लाइक 30/x² minus y, for example, anything, right? So there can be some any particular cases in which the denominator value will become 0. You might not have considered that case, right? So तो क्या होगा, that is जब आप उसको प्रोग्राम को कंपाइल तो हो जाएगा, नो सिंटैक्स एरर, जब आप प्रोग्राम को रन करेंगे एज द एग्जीक्यूशन स्टार्ट्स प्रोग्राम विल गेट टर्मिनेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एरर. तो रन टाइम एरर में क्या आता है आपका, एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर, फ्यू एग्जाम्पल, डिवाइडिंग अ नंबर बाय 0. सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड अ नंबर बाय 0 इट विल शो यू द रन टाइम एरर, फाइन. और when you find out the square root of a negative number, right, कुछ directly we don't के, but कुछ particular case में after calculation अगर negative आ गया, in that case because unforeseen है, वो दिख नहीं रहा है हमें, कुछ case particular case में आ जाता है value, तो वो क्या होगा, run time पे आपका program terminate हो जाएगा, ठीक है. और third can be like array you have declared of size 5 बट यू आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सेस द लोकेशन 7, तो एरे का साइज 5 है तो 7 कहाँ से देगा, तो इन दैट केस इट विल शो यू द रन टाइम एरर इंडेक्स आउट ऑफ बाउंड, ठीक है. सो दीज आर द फ्यू रन टाइम एरर. व्हेन रन टाइम एरर अकर्स ड्यूरिंग द एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोग्राम्स गेट्स टर्मिनेटेड, राइट. जनरली इट गेट्स टर्मिनेटेड, बट देयर आर सम एक्सेप्शंस which can be handled, and we can avoid the termination of program, and these are called exceptions. Exceptions are not in your syllabus, but just for your sake of knowledge, exceptions, right? So exceptions are the runtime error only, but these can be handled to avoid the termination of program during the execution. So that's why कुछ runtime error को exceptions बोलते हैं और बाकी को हम error ही बोलते हैं. So I hope you have understood the 3 types of error. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.